In today's video, we are going to be explaining some text functions in Excel that helps in data cleaning. So let's go straight to the point. In Excel, we have some basic text functions that helps you in data cleaning before you start analyzing your data. So we're going to be looking at lower, upper, proper, trim, and others. So before we go into the practical, I would like to explain briefly what they do. For lower function converts alphabets or letters to lowercase to small letters. Upper converts text to uppercase, which is capital letters. Proper capitalizes name properly, and it just capitalizes the first letter of the words. Trim is used to remove extra spaces in your text. And we have function text to column. It splits text into different columns. And remove remove duplicate functions, remove duplicates in your column, while concatenation combines two or more columns together. So let's go into the practical briefly. So this is lower. We are going to convert this here to a lower case. So all I need to type is equal to lower. Tab key, I'll select this and press enter. It converts this to lower. You see this here has been converted. So I will autofill. This is done. So for upper, we are going to convert this Lagos Abuja to capital letter. Equal to upper. I'll click the column I want. I press enter. It automatically does that. I'll autofill. That is upper. Then for proper, it's going to capitalize the first letter of these names. For me, proper. Okay, click on John Deere, press enter. It does the job, and I'll do my autofill. Hope you're following. Then the trimming removes these extra spaces in between the words. If you can see before G and before R, there are spaces there. So we're going to remove that to make it look good. So we're going to type trim, then select this and press enter key. So with this autofill, it cleans out all the spaces we have there. So when it comes to duplicate, what duplicate does is that if you check here, we have John Deere here and we have John Deere. It's going to remove it. So I'm going to shrink my system, minimize my system so that I can see what I'm trying to do. Okay, so Deere, I'm going to remove duplicate here. So what I need to do is to go to my data ribbon and click on remove duplicate. This is the icon. If I click on it, you see this. Next, it tell you one duplicate was found. One duplicate was found and was removed. So if you check here now, you see we just have one John Deere. So the same applies to all of that if you have one duplicate. So let's go to text to column. This is the interesting part. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to convert this into two columns to separate them. I'll highlight. Okay, I will highlight. Okay, go to text to column here in my data ribbon. And next, the delimiter will be separating them is space. I'm going to select space. Next, and finish. Automatically, the names has been converted to two spaces. Now let's do the second example. If you see here, we have the delimiter here is not space. So let's see how we can convert this one to text to column. Still click on text to column in the data column, and this time around, what is separating them is hyphen. So we're going to click on others and type hyphen. Is already here for me. Then I click on next and finished. Now you can see that has been converted to three different columns. So that is how text to column works. Then for concatenation, okay, back to my formula. So for concatenation, we are going to be writing a formula that will combine these two words together. So I'm going to write concatenate here, then select the first column of this, comma. If you see here, it's telling you the format of which you are going to do follow. So I'm going to have space in between. All I need to do is to type apostrophe space apostrophe, then comma. I'll select the second text, close it, and enter. You see it has combined the two columns into one. So the same applies to all others. So let's assume I want to show you something. You know, I put space here. If I remove this space, here, you see how the name will look like. There'll be no space between the John and Joe and Joe. So depends on how you want it. You're going to type in what exactly you need. So if you need space, use apostrophe space apostrophe to get the space you're looking for. So that is that for that. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Try to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and more videos and more to learn is coming your way. So follow me, subscribe to my page, and you will have to learn a lot from me. Thank you, and bye for the now.